Yun, good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po. PSEi failed to do a breakout yesterday. Medyo nag-pull back si PSEi. But that's okay. Expected naman yan tuwing na-hit natin ng resistance. But yeah, ang dami naman stocks na lumilipad. So overall is still very good. Especially the good companies are starting to go up because of their performance this year, and that has invited investors. That's the reason why the index has been going up lately. So yun, very good moment. Dapat nakapagbodega na po kayo. Simulan na po kayo nagbobodega sa mga, especially the blue chips, diba? Today we're gonna be talking about a few picks of mine. Ayun, naglabasan na ang comments kasi kahapon inaayos ko to eh. Ayaw lumabas ng comments eh. Anyways, let's go to the I think today is gonna be a short topic lang naman. Nothing much, wala akong napansin na parang breaking news with PSEi and PSE. So yeah, si Trump kahapon nagloko na naman, and yan ang mahirap pag nagloloko si Trump. Stocks tend to go down. But anyways, let's go ahead with our picks. Comments lang muna tayo with PSEi. Joel Ligaras, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning. Then Renewal for Forces, Ming Buntag, Carlo Turingan. O nga pala guys, if you have any request na ipachart sa akin, I just post it on the comments. So as much as possible, if we have time, dadaanan po natin ang mga yan. Okay, Ming Buntag, Ranulfo, versus Carlo Turingan, Dexter Hansel, magandang umaga. Air Plata, good morning Sir Lloyd, greetings from Canada. Good morning Ma'am Apple and Laika. Good morning AR. Irene Suzuki, ayo guys, mas. Good morning. Chris Canilan, Alice Kabigting, good morning Coach. Ask ko lang po paano pa-reserve sa seminar dito sa Manila. Yeah, I was expecting the registration from eToro yesterday, pero hindi pa nila natapos eh. So, they promised me today matatapos. Si eToro kasi gumagawa ng registration is because meron silang parang survey na pinapasagot muna sa inyo before you can register. And yeah, sadly, hindi nabigay nila sa akin kahapon. And I'm asking for it from them today. So, sana today may bigay po nila. I'll be posting about it on my Facebook page. Let me just make sure you can hear me. And I'll be posting about it on my Facebook page, and then sa Billionaires Club din po, don't worry. I'll post the registration link as soon as I get it from them. Okay? Don't worry. Marami namang seats available. We're expecting 100 attendees, pero meron na po kami allowance na 50 seats so that we can accommodate 150 in total. So marami po yan. Air Plata, sir, medyo okay na si GWPH natin, naangat na. Sir, pa-check naman po ang tama interpretation ko. JNJ upturn na bullish engulfing. MACD signals. Thank you, sir. God bless. Air Plata, yes, I told you I'll be entering GWPH, and ayun, pumasok ako sa GWPH and it was gaining already. So, congratulations. Good find. Right? You're the one who found out. You're the one who found GWPH. Look at this right here. So we entered GWPH at the support right here, and there it is, umangat na. It broke its downtrend line already, and there it is. So congratulations sa mga pumasok. We entered it here and we were already gaining in GWPH. This is Air Plata's fine. Getting better. I don't usually follow MACD, but if ever this ang problema ko dito is ang indicators natin limited sa tawag nito, trading view. So I won't open MACD, but if you see the cross already, that's already good. I already gave a go signal about GWPH. Already bought it yesterday. The other day, bumili ako habang pula siya kasi andyan na yung support eh. And then there it is, perfectly at support. It bounced and went up already. So it's already gaining for GWPH. So hopefully nag-trade ka, right? Guys, I told you the strategy is effective. So if you want to trade on your own in the international market trade, you can do trading here. So if ever wala pa kayo sa international market, I invite you to join us trading in the international market. I am using eToro. Hiling ko lang po, if you create an eToro account, should you consider international market in the future, please look at please use my link down at the video description. Meron po diyang link ng create an eToro account. That helps the channel a lot. This is the reason why nakapagbigay po tayo ng free na seminars. itong daily program is running every day because of what eToro, of how generous eToro is in helping us. So you can help the channel without sending funds or anything, without spending anything. All you need to do is invest in yourself and you're helping the channel at the same time. So please make sure you use my link. Okay? Asa na ako? Si Ayer yun last. Alice Kabigting, good more insights ko kay PPI, Fen, Apo, and PPG. Please, salamat po. God bless. Uy, si KPPI umakyat kahapon. KPPI. At least man lang, KPPI, natapos niya yung downtrend niya. So, this is good for KPPI. Sobrang problem now is sobrang lakas ng akyat niya kahapon. So, we talked about this support of KPPI. This is good to test right here sa mga aggressive ones kahit walang technical analysis. Pwede nyo itong pasukin. And there it is, umangat nga because of that. So, KPPI, 12% high already. I don't think that's healthy to get in anymore as much as possible. If it gives you an opportunity to go back down to support and buy there, that's the best opportunity to buy KPPI. Pull back and bounce lang po. Overall, we can't say it's a reversal already. Kasi wala pa tayong higher highs and higher lows. So, pull back and bounce would be a very good signal for KPPI. Sa bounce po tayo pumasok for that. Fen Apo. Si Fen may magandang news kasi Kaso kala na po pull back. Kasi the reason why nahihirapan si Fen kahit may magandang news is because it's already very high up there. I don't want to play with stocks that are up there already. But should you really want to get in Fen, meron siyang short-term, meron siyang resistance ngayon. A breakout strategy would be a good signal for Fen. It's either that or try to enter the uptrend line of Fen. Doon lang po natin pasukin. I'm not looking at Fen anytime soon because nasa taas po siya. In the future, babagsak din naman yan. Then, saka natin pasukin. Load chart layout. Lloyd, Bazar. Alright, so next is Apo. Ayan, si Apo, MA20. Let's see if the MA20 support will hold. Pag nag-hold yan, very good. Akit yan for sure. Or it won't. Hindi natin alam. Most probably will because of this move right here. This is an uptrend signal for Apo. Okay, so kaso nga lang sobrang lakas naman ng akyat niya. So baka naubos ka agad yung momentum dahil doon. But anyways, we are still holding on to MA20. Hopefully that holds. Use MA20 as your support if ever gusto nyo pong pumasok. PPG naman, mukhang humihina na. We're playing inside the upper Bollinger Bands already, meaning wala na po siyang momentum. Maybe it's gonna do a pullback or anything. Use this uptrend line. Ito yung short-term uptrend line niya. Baka dyan siya maglaro ulit at umakyat. Okay? Apo PPG. This is PPG. Marlo Baroro, Main Buntag, Sir Lloyd, AGI, matindi ang buyback, maganda ang invest dito. AGI is a good company. I'd say yes. We have a support for AGI right here. I would go aggressive on this since this is a good company and we are at low levels for AGI. This is the lowest area for AGI. But still, overall, we are at the low level of AGI kasi. I'd say yeah. Pwede na itong bilhin. Right? We have ito, ang daming signal ha. We have a divergence. Look at this right here. Pababa ang support but RSI is already going up. And we have a confirmation of the support right there. I'd say yes, we don't have any sellers anymore. Ganito kasi yan. How do you interpret charts? Market psychology. Nagbebentahan ng mga tao, nagbebentahan. At this level, and when RSI hits this means it's oversold, meaning nasobrahan na pagbenta. Usually, most probably, ang nagbenta are those who are mga chupiteros and not the investors. It will come to a point na dito sa RSI, pag nasa baba na, wala nang ganong nagbebenta, right? Ang natitira na lang dito are the investors or the people who are holding onto their stocks, hindi nila binibenta. And if that happens, meaning wala nang sellers, that's when you start to see momentum. Since mas konti na lang ang sellers, nagsistart na umaakit yung momentum niya. It's just that wala pang buyer gaano and there's no aggressive buying. But there will come a point na wala nang magbebenta at magsisimula na yung umakyat. So hopefully, this will sustain. There will come a time baka mainip or baka may pangit na news or anything para bumagsak ang presyo na ito. But so far, technical analysis wise, it's telling us na starting to show a bottom, starting to show reversal signals. So yeah, this is the perfect time to test out AGI. Okay? Naghahanap lang ako ng isa pang confirmation dito kay AGI. Ito lang kulang talaga. Breakout from that downtrend line, and then AGI will be in my recommendations already. So, baka bukas, ma-recommend ko na yan si AGI. But for the aggressive ones, you can test out the support, right? Ang dami ng buy signals nito. Ang dami ng buy signals. Ito lang isang buy signal na iniintay ko mag-breakout siya sa downtrend niya. Uy, si AR Plata nga pala, may request. Can you si J&J uptrend na ba bullish? J&J, Johnsons and Johnsons. Ayun. Yeah. This is good already for Johnsons and Johnsons. Okay? We have a support right here. Nag-breakout siya. I think this is already a good entry point for Johnsons and Johnsons. Yeah, so far, wala namang bad news kay Johnsons and Johnsons eh. Yeah. Go ahead. Go for Johnson's. Hopefully, nabili mo yun sa support si J&J Air. Good job, right? Guys, eToro, si Air nagtitrade sa eToro. Social. Diba? Guys, again, I invite you to trade into international market. Very healthy volume in trading there. That's why technical analysis tend to follow more there. Okay? Maganda sa PSE, mas maganda sa PSE mid to long term trading. So mga short term trading, mas maganda sa international market, especially kung gusto niyo po mag day trade. Speaking of day trade, we have 166 viewers. Please share the video. Pag-share po itong video sa Facebook walls po ninyo and to your trading groups, right? Tomorrow is gonna be September 12. Today, anniversary pala ng September 11, 9/11, di ba? So, and anyways, tomorrow, September 12, at 11 in the morning, magsisimula po yung live trading seminar natin. So, the first part of the seminars, we're gonna be teaching you how to, the setup, how to prepare, everything, tools needed, and the technical analysis. And then, after that is the live trading. Meaning, magte-trade po si Mr. Jed Villardo, our day trader in eToro. He day trades gold and oil. He's gonna show you how he does it while he is trading, while he is day trading, right? At 11 o'clock, we will be starting. It's gonna be in eToro. The trading platform he will be using to show you is eToro. He will show you how he does it in eToro. So, hopefully, you already have an eToro account if you join the seminar tomorrow. Para naman po, makapag-practice kayo kasi sa eToro, there is a virtual port where you can practice on your own. I strongly recommend you practice. Huwag niyo po titignan yung mga gains lang kaagad kasi these people are posting their gains to show you how they are earning. Also, they show you their losses. There are days that they will lose. So, hopefully bukas, panalo. Kasi ganyan naman ang trading. There are days na matatalo ka. If ever nahit na yung quota mo sa talo, you stop trading for that day. Meaning malas yung araw na yan. Mababawi naman yan on your good day. So, hopefully tomorrow, we get a good day. But, he will trade, he will coach you while he is actually trading. Right? So that you can see the technical analysis, the signals, what are the signals he is looking for, how he executes it. Mabilis kasi yan, pabilisin sa kamay. So makikita nyo po gaano kabilis ang kamay ni Mr. Jed using eToro platform. Hopefully, you already have an eToro account and join tomorrow's seminar. If you don't have an eToro account yet, please create an account using my link. I-post ko po sa comments para sa inyo, para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. Okay? Again, the seminar is free. It's going to be live in the Billionaires Club and we're going to be sharing it in Team eToro Pilipinas also. If you haven't joined, if ever meron na kayong account, you can join Team eToro Pilipinas because that's one of the requirements that we will be asking for if you join the Team eToro Pilipinas. This is an eToro group. This is our trading group, Team eToro Pilipinas. Just look for that right here, Team eToro Pilipinas sa Facebook. We are growing. We're already almost 3,000 members strong. And once you are in, yan, makaka-join po kayo dyan. So, tomorrow po ito, the live streaming and coaching. That's gonna be a very big help for you guys. Okay? These guys are very good in day trading. You're gonna see, even ito to sila, John Magno, these are the students here. Libre lang po kami magturo dito sa Team eToro Pilipinas ng day trading. And these are their results. And they're gaining. May mga trades na loss, but majority of it are gaining. And then slowly, they're doing well. Heto may mga forex din. If ever mahina ang gold and oil, then there it is, forex din. Kumikita sa forex. Right? $200 per trade, $100 per trade. So, Yun yung mga gains nila. $163 sa isang ano lang, sa isang win if they win, and then if they cut loss, look at that, $40 ang cut losses, $40, but the wins are gonna be at $300. So bawing-bawi if you cut your losses. But we're gonna show you the entire system tomorrow. So wag niyo po sasayangin yung opportunity. Bukas, September 12, 11 in the morning, we are gonna be starting the seminar. Please make sure you already have an eToro account so that hindi pa kayo mag-nosebleed sa mga tools. Makapractice na po kayo tonight. Familiarize the tools, how to buy, how to sell, where to look for the stocks and everything. So, create an eToro account po. Yes, another day to learn. It's gonna be recorded also. The good news is it's gonna be recorded. So, hindi maka-join bukas ng live. You can still see the recording naman ng what do you call this, ng program. Okay? But it's just nice if you watch the live because you can ask questions while trading. Kung may hindi po kayo maintindihan, makakapagtanong po kayo. Diba? So, that's tomorrow, September 12, 11 in the morning. Manila, I'm gonna be there sa mas basic na trading. Tomorrow, nosebleed yan. If ever hindi pa kayo marunong mag-trade talaga, tapos didiretso kayo sa day trading seminar, sasakit lang ulo ninyo. A much more subtle seminar will be in Manila, September 29. If you are in Manila, September 29 po, that's a Sunday. Morning session and afternoon session. Dalawa po, pili lang po kayo kung saan kayo libre. Kung kailangan nyo mag-church in the morning, pwede kayo sa afternoon mag-join, or if ever afternoon kayo mag-church, you can join the morning session. It's at BGC. I'll be talking to eToro team to have the registration link available today para ma-post po namin yung entire details. Right? It's gonna be very cheap. 500 pesos lang po. That's just for commitment purposes. Halos libre na po yan. And if eToro magsa-seminar yan, if magsa-sponsor yan, meron na naman yang bonus. So, 500 is just an investment. You're gonna earn more. You're gonna gain more in the seminar, I tell you. Kikita pa kayo sa learnings, and then basta may bonus yan lagi si eToro. They're very generous when it comes to seminars with us. So alam niyo na po yan, sinasabi ko po yan lagi kung anong bonus ni eToro po sa inyo. So join the seminar. It's gonna be available only to those who will be joining the seminar. So especially if you're newbie at wala kayong pampuhunan, this is your chance to start. Diba? Hindi ko lang masabi kung ano kasi pinipigilan ako nila. But yeah, you know the bonuses of eToro. If you create the account using my link, nagbibigay po yun sa eToro ng mga bonus sa mga taong gumagamit ng link ko. Right? So yeah. Okay, let's continue. May mga charts pa dito eh. So I just wanna focus on sharing the seminars, the free seminars, kasi sayang naman, right? Maganda mag-invest dito. Sir Lloyd, AGI na Arjun Mendoza, good morning. Good morning, Coach. Meg po, RLC, salamat po. Alright, Meg and RLC. Meg. And si Meg na pull back. This is good for Meg, right? We'll just wait for Meg to bounce and then we can enter Meg again. RLC naman, si Robinson's Land. We have a very transparent resistance right here, pero yung buying bullish na eh. So it's a mix of bullish and bearish signals. This is how what the chart is showing you. At the people are bullish because you can see the buying, medyo mataas na yung buying. Sa hit nito, nagbabuy na. The next day, dito lang, nagbibili na ang mga tao. Yesterday, dito, binibili na ng mga tao. So buying is bullish. It's going up. But at this point right here, dito sa taas, there's a bearish signal because when this is hit, wala na pong bumibili and prices tend to drop when that's hit. So it's a mix of both bullish and bearish signal. So what we do is we wait for confirmation. Antayin po natin sino ang mananalo. Right? Antayin natin sino mananalo. Or is it the bullish people or the bearish people? Bullish people, kung sila mananalo, magbe-breakout yan. So that's where we enter because that usually tends to continue once that happens. So in RLC's case, antayin po natin mag-breakout yan. Arvin Ticar, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay DNL. DNL, bodegahin nyo po yan. Kung gusto nyo sure na panalo, just hindi naman sure na 100%, but this is a good company, very cheap right now. Bilhin nyo lang ng bilhin yan. We already have a good signals on the buying. We have a good divergence signal right here. Yeah, that's already a buy for me. Habang nasa baba pa po yan. Right? Start with this. So mga naggusto matuto mag-trade, start with this strategy. yung mga sinasabi kong bodega na strategy, this is kasi whenever you trade, you have to be humble. Humble enough to know that you cannot 100% guess the bottom of a stock. It is showing us na reversal na ito. So, most probably, it's gonna be the bottom. Pero hindi po natin alam for sure yan. Since it gave us a signal already, and it's still very cheap, we just buy here. Okay? Bilhin nyo po ito dito. Bilhin nyo na po yan. And then, if it goes further down, just keep buying more. As long as the company is doing well, it's like DNL. This is a very good company. If you know the business model of DNL, this is a very good company. So if it goes further down, you just keep buying more because we know in the future, once the market sentiments reverses, aakyat din naman yan. So you have accumulated as many stocks as possible. Para kung umakyat na siya, gains na yan. Right? You just make sure you buy more at the bottom. If it goes further down. Tendency kasi niyan, kung hindi pa natin papasukin ito ngayon, baka lumipad, hindi na talaga tayo makapasok. Sayang yung opportunity for this stock. Remember BPI? Sinabi ko rin po sa inyo yan, si BPI, ilang araw rin yun nagsusupport at bumababa. Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin nyo na dito when this happened right here. Right, bilhin nyo na dito kasi meron na tayong signal na parang aakit na siya. Umakyat nga ng konti pero bumaba pa. Sabi sa inyo, bilhin nyo ulit dito. If it goes further down, just keep buying more. And there it is. BPI is a good company. Ayan, bumaba pa nga before really going up. And then when it happened, this was 22% gain right away, di ba? For BPI. Same scenario with DNL. Market sentiments lang. The sentiments ng market is not yet there. That's why it's not really moving. So, unahan nyo na po habang wala pa po yung inggit or yung sentiments ng mga tao pumasok. So, be there in advance. Ganun po ang style dyan. So, for newbies, start with that strategy. You just buy more. If ever bumaba, you just keep buying more, keep buying more, keep buying more. Mr. M. Buntag, Sir Lloyd, sana makapunta din kayo dito sa Bicol. Hopefully, right? Hopefully, sana po. Rafi, happy, Sir Lloyd, paano po mag-withdraw ng investment sa eToro? Once you are in eToro already, let me open my eToro account. Once you're in eToro, on your dashboard, you just click on, dito sa left side, you just click on withdraw funds. Then withdraw, kung magkano po ang withdraw ninyo, you just type in, I have available balance na pwedeng withdraw, which is worth 1,700. I can edit this to 1725. Alright, 1725, then submit. Then kung ano po yung last na payment instrument na ginamit nyo, doon po niya ibabalik. Okay? So, if you use your debit card, then ibabalik niyo po sa debit card niyo. If you use your PayMaya, ibabalik niyo po sa PayMaya ninyo. Okay? Francis Fahilan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Alan Tigay, good morning, sir. I-discuss po ba yung paggamit ng eToro sa seminar sa Manila? Yes, definitely. Since eToro is gonna be our sponsor, we have a segment there to explain to you further how to use eToro, what eToro is all about. Right? May segment po dyan ng seminar since they're the ones who are sponsoring the event. It's 8:41. We're gonna start the picks at 8:45. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. ISM, IRC, and ATN. ISM. Let's check out ISM. Nagpo-pull back kaagad si ISM. This is challenging because for me, nakalipad na si ISM. I cannot recommend it there 5:45 for traders at the very least, di ba? But if you are an investor, just buy it. Why do you buy it if you're an investor? Hindi nyo pa kailangan bumaba yan. Kasi, hindi natin alam kung bababa yan or hindi. That's the key thing right there. What if umakyat yan? Mas hindi na kayo makakapasok, di ba? If you are planning to be an investor of ISM, you just buy some here. Okay? As much as possible, doon tayo sa dip. The problem here is, hindi pa tayo binibigyan ng dip. So, hindi natin alam kung magdidip yan. Swerte ng mga nagbodega dito, I recommended ISM here kasi that was an obvious dip. That was a double bottom dip right there. Sabi ko sa mga tao, pumasok na kayo. That's a very good dip right there. Hindi natin alam kung aakyat na yan. Ayun, umakyat na. Hindi pa makapasok ang mga tao. Kung kailan umakyat na, dun pa nainggit ang mga tao. Diba? Remember this right here? Kung kailan siya umakyat, dun pa nagpasukan ng mga tao at andun, ayun, sinupitan sila ng mga nakabodega dito. So, if you plan to be an investor, just buy here. If it goes down, then just keep buying more. Just keep buying more. Right? Long-term investments, especially in stocks, is all about volume. Volume meaning paramihan ng holen yan. Paramihan ng Alam niyo yung rubber bands, paramihan ng rubber bands yan. Sinong pinakamarami? Siya yung magiging siya yung pinaka-pogi. Diba? Ganyan po yan. So, whenever it dips, just keep buying more. Huwag po tayong bumili dun sa taas as much as possible. Okay? So, you just buy it here. For traders, I cannot recommend it right now kasi pumupula pa siya. So, it's gonna be very hard right now to see what is the real movement of ISM. But since it's been closing above the Bollinger Bands already, most probably, meron na naman tayong trend nito. So, let's see if we can see a clearer trend kay ISM. It's just that it's red right now. I can't recommend it. IRC, this is the pullback we're waiting for. Malapit na po tayo sa MA20. Anytime soon, pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be an entry point already. Recommended IRC dito sa green na ito. Congratulations sa mga pumasok. Kumita ka agad. ATN, si ATN na green. I'm also recommending ATN for long term. This is a very good dip. I'd say this is a buy already for ATN. Okay? That's a very good stock right there. Kenneth Dio Cariza, any advice po on stocks na pwede pa ibodega? Nag-change shift ako sa ngayon lang ulit naka-watch ng live. Pwedeng ibodega. Pwede ibodega right now. Isa si ISM, but that's somehow speculative since we don't have any since we don't have any fundamentals for that yet. Siguro isa si DD. Well, it's down there, right? Nasa baba pa si DD ngayon. Isa ito sa mga magandang ibodega. Ito si DD, si Metrobank. Question sa mga pwedeng ibodega. Yan, magandang signals. Maganda yung supports ni MBT. Well, nasa baba. Si AC, habang nasa baba pa. Ayala Corporation, we are playing at this dip right here. So, yes, maganda pa ito ibodega. So, those are what I can recommend. JFC, Jollibee. Right? JFC, bodega nyo po yan. If it goes further down, then just keep buying more for JFC. Okay. Mabel San Jose, good morning, Sir Lloyd. MBT, thank you. MBT, still biased as long as the support holds. Actually, bodega strategy for MBT. Just keep buying it while it's down there. This is very cheap already for Metrobank. If it goes further down to this support, just buy more. Ganda na, this is a good company. Second quarter earnings is very strong. Hindi pa lang pumapasok ang market sentiment. So, yeah, I'd buy MBT if I were you. Okay, Richard Rivera, good morning. Michelle, Lodi, PPG po. Ask ko lang, Lodi, paano babasahin yung 52-week high and low? I don't look at 52 weeks high, right? We are in a business where we look for cheap stocks, right? And if nag 52-week high yan, meaning that stock is the most expensive it has been in the last 52 weeks. So, if you're looking for trend trading, you look at the 52-week high and then wait for it to do a pullback, and then the next bounce pwede mo pasukin for trend following. I like 52-week lows, pero only look at I focus more on 52-week lows, but I only look at fundamentally good companies, the companies that are still doing well. So, pag nag 52-week low yan, I'll put that in my list, and then antayin ko pag may makita akong reversal signal, saka ko na siya sisimulang bilhin. Right? For those who are in the 52-week lows. I tend to look at the stocks that are at the bottom. Focus more on the stocks that are at the bottom. Okay? Hafa Aday, good morning, sir, from Macau. Tech, Sir Lloyd, thank you. Right. It's 8:46. We're after Hafa's request. We are gonna be going to my recommendation. So, like this one right here, we have a reversal. I recommended Tech right here. And because of the divergence that it showed us and instant win sa mga pumasok kay Tech, now it's doing a pullback. This is good. This is healthy sa mga gustong pumasok. I always tell you, wait for the pullback and bounce. We're just waiting for the bounce right there for Tech. Pag nag-bounce yan, that will be a good entry point. Okay, right, so we'll go to my recommendations first. We'll stop with Afa Aday and then continue with the comments later. Okay? Before I start with my recommendations, reminders lang everyone, September 29 po para sa mga andyan sa Manila. If you already know stock market and you want to advance your skills into trading, diba? You start as an investor and start understanding the market, right? Once you learn that, you are now ready to start to learn how to trade. And that is what this seminar is about. This is going to be your stepping stone into trading. Everything you need to know about trading. So this is called the Trading Masterclass. It's going to be in BGC. More details later today. Sunday po yan, September 29, morning session and afternoon session. Registration link should be out today. Sorry for the delays of that. Inintay ko lang si eToro mag-finalize ng registration link. And then, tomorrow po, reminders, we're gonna have a day trading seminar. Mas advanced naman yan. Pwede po kayo mag-join bukas. Even if you're a newbie, at least may idea na po kayo. September 12, it's gonna be at 11 in the morning. Ready your eToro accounts. Right? If you don't have an eToro account yet, please use my link to create one. That is gonna be very helpful for the, that's gonna be a very big help for the channel. Right? Para po, mapatuloy po natin yung mga libreng seminars po for everyone. Okay, let's go to my picks for today. Here are my picks. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lima lang for today since nagpo-pull back ang market. So, number 1 is DD, one of my favorites. So, DD created a good price action. So, we have a possible support for DD already. Ang gusto ko dito is we are at a very good support right here. Itong support na ito, tatlong beses, 1, 2, this is gonna be the third time that it's gonna be bouncing there. So this is a good price, to test DD. Pwede nyo po ang gawin dito is ever hindi yan mag-sustain, you can buy more. We have a bottom of DD here which is very near. You just buy more DD, right? DD has been doing well lately. So sayang po yung yung pag-ano niya. Sayang naman po yung pag-stabilize ng company after this very sharp drop. It's time for DD to recover already. So this is one of the biggest recoveries of PSE. Next naman is NRCP. Ayun, sa NRCP, I already recommended NRCP a few days back and we are given this good price action. I recommended NRCP on this bounce right here because we are playing at support levels for NRCP. And may magandang price action na po tayo. I love this price action. Remember this. I recommended this kay PIP, ganyan na price action, di ba? PIP, right there. There's that price action right there. Yung paakyat yung buying niya and PIP flew after that. So, NRCP starting to do that. Ang kagandahan is nasa baba niya ginagawa, right? So, I want to recommend NRCP for today. MWC, there it is. We have a double bottom area for MWC. And starting na gumaganda na yung buying niya. Okay? We already are showing divergences. So, kahit pababa or sideways yung presyo, RSI starting to go up already. Meaning, we already have momentum starting piling up for MWC. So, enter now. Right? May spike na tayo of a breakout yesterday kaso nga lang hindi nag-sustain. So, that's another positive signal for MWC. So, it's time to buy MWC. AP. And sa AP naman, MA20 bounce, kaka-confirm lang yesterday. MA20 bounce and another MA20 bounce yesterday. Yeah, AP is good. This is on an uptrend. We have higher highs and higher lows. Oh, sorry. Nagloko yung drawing ko. Right, so we have higher highs and higher lows already for AP. That stock is on an uptrend and this is the best time to test that trend. Hopefully mag-continue. Okay, lastly si CLI, one of my favorite stocks, Cebu Landmasters. Good price action already. We're seeing buying already there for CLI. Yes, I believe this is a reversal from this short-term downtrend. Kaka-breakout niya lang sa downtrend niya. There it is. So, it's a buy already for CLI. Use this area as your support for Cebu Landmasters. Those are my picks for today. Pili lang po kayo. There is no guarantees in these picks. It's just that I love this because ganda ng price action and very low risk positions. Okay? I'm gonna go back to the comments and see kung ano pa meron tayong mga dito, mga charting requests. Hopefully you don't have any questions about my picks and the one that we shared today. Guys, I want to share this opportunity for you. Check out 5G revolution in eToro. Okay, so mga mahilig sa funds dyan, marami ako natatanggap. Sir Lloyd, maganda ba bumili ng FM ETF ngayon? Maganda bumili ng mga ETFs, mga banko and everything. If mahilig po kayo sa ETFs, I want to recommend this 5G revolution. 5G Revolution. This is a fund. Ang theme po niya is all the companies that are going into 5G, even China's companies that are going to 5G, they are gonna have a very big boost in their sales once 5G is officially out. Kaya prepare na po tayo. So these are the companies that are involved in the 5G, and hindi na po kailangan mag-isa-isang bilhin ito. Right? This is already a basket. Ang kagandahan po dito is your risks are what they call this, diversified already. Okay? And the statistics po nito, if I want to share, it's already up 10.20% for this year. Pag nagsimula po yung 5G na yan, we're expecting for this to boom. Habang hindi pa po nagsisimula, pumasok na po kayo. I strongly recommend 5G Revolution. Minimum po dito is $2,000. So if you can afford that and you're looking for a good place to invest in, eto po, diversified na po ang risk ninyo dito. Okay, 5G Revolution, and one is food and drinks. Food and drinks, etong funds na ito, food and drinks, ito naman is a collection of the best food and drinks companies out there. If makikita nyo po, if mag-abroad po kayo, napakalakas po nila Coke, nila Pepsi, nila McDo, nila Starbucks. Look at this performance of this fund for this year, 27.69 for this year. Napakaganda po niyan. If you want to invest in this, $2,000 din po. You can always check out their portfolio, right? Para makita niyo po ano exposures nila. Coke, Pepsi, McDo, Starbucks, General Mills, Domino's Pizza, Tyson, Chipotle, and Dr. Pepper. Diyan po yan naka-diversify yung funds na yan. So, very strong growth. Food and drinks, isa po yan sa hindi malalaos ng mga companies. Okay? So I wanna share this to you sa mga gustong mag-funds. It's a very good diversification if meron kayong extra funds kaysa kung meron kayong mga 100k dyan na natutulog lang sa bangko. Lagyan nyo lang po dito. Mas maganda po dito ilagay kaysa sa bangko. Okay? 14344 views. Maayong adlaw, sir. Mark ATN and BRN. Damo, salamat sir. Damo, salamat sir. Maraming salamat. You're welcome. Let's go for Mark. Ito si Mark. Maraming sinaktan si Mark. Ganda ng bounce ni Mark eh. Kaso nga lang, I don't know how much this is already. We have support here already, but this is already 6% away from support. If you can try to bargain Mark at around 1.19, 1.18 para lumiit lang ang risk natin. At least dyan man lang makapasok tayo. Maliit ang risk natin. Then, I can recommend entering it. Medyo mataas yung lipad ni Mark eh. So, yeah. Huwag mo saluhin sa taas. ATN, we covered ATN already. Just keep buying ATN habang nagde-dip yan. BRN. Si BRN din, tinitignan ko ito. So, nagpo-pull back pa. We have a possible uptrend already here. Best if MA20 natin pasukin, but may clear na trend line naman tayo. So, pwede natin dyan pasukin pag nag-hit yan sa trend line niya. Asa na? Yan. AJ Cruz, hi Sir Lloyd, morning po. AGI po, mukhang okay rin po, sir. Pinasok rin ni JP Morgan at Mandarin. Actually, yes. Mayroon na ako isang signal na hinantay ni AGI. Right? Before ko i-recommend, because when I recommend, it has to be that sure ako kasi it's a big responsibility to recommend stocks. But yeah, this is already good. Sa mga gustong yung who wants to enter more aggressively in AGI, this is already a good support. Ang dami na nating buy signals. We have support, we have divergences. Isa na lang signal iniintay ko, ang breakout. Ang problema sa sinasabi ko is what if mag-breakout yan ng bongga at the end of the day ang taas na ng akyat niya. So that's the disadvantage of being too conservative. Okay? So if you want to be aggressive, I'd say this is already good. Alright, pwede nyo na yung pasukin today. Okay? Hindi ko lang nire-recommend. Baka bukas ko yan i-recommend. But you can already get in if you are more aggressive. Iba-iba kasi tayo eh. But I am talking more on newbies. So I am teaching more about being conservative trading. At least magsimula tayo dyan. Sandro Tan, IDC po, Sir Idol Lloyd. IDC just confirmed the support. Kaso nga lang, lakas ng climb kaagad ni IDC yesterday. So, yeah, we have a support right here for IDC. Yeah, pwede na itong testingin. Just get in near this support as much as you can. Hindi naman siya nag-touch sa lower Bollinger Band, meaning there's no momentum on the downtrend. So, you can test it out for IDC. Just make sure you cut your losses if ever magkamali, okay? Hi Idol, watching you from New Zealand. This is from Renato Hilario. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Air Plata sir, naiwan si J&J sa request ko. Pwede po ba siya pasukin? Tama ba? Bullish engulfing pattern TY sir. Yes, si J&J tinignan natin yan. Engulfing pattern for J&J and it already did a breakout. So that's already good for J&J. Good find Air. Sales, Ali and Meg, good to buy na po ba? Si Ali and Meg, antay lang tayo ng bounce ni Meg. Pag nag-bounce yan, good to buy for me. Also, Ali, nagpo-pull back pa. Yeah, pag nag-green yan, just get in Ali. Anyways, this is for a long-term stock. Pwede naman yan. Mark, Adriano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay EMP, Emperador. Okay, medyo nag-break ng support sa Emperador. Right now, we don't have any buy signals for Emperador. We'll see what will happen in the coming days. Overall, downtrend pa kasi si Emperador. Angelo Bataan, good day sir. Bull still okay to buy. Si VUL, nirecommend ko kahapon, pero hindi ko naman alam na mag-gap up ng bongga si VUL. So, sana hindi kayo pumasok nung gap up. And then, nagkaipitan. So, anytime soon, yeah, I'd say, VUL might bounce today. Hindi ko lang sure kaya hindi ko nire-recommend. Pag nag-bounce yan today, test it out. It should jump, right? It should jump, right? Laki ng volume, kaso nga lang selling volume nangyari. Kasi, hindi ng gap up. Ito yung mga hot na hot. Right? Dean, teach me how to cook goat from Dean. Di ako marunong. Pasensya na. Reynaldo De Jesus, good morning, sir. Good morning then. Hi, sir. Another day to learn naman po. Good morning. Yes, another day to learn. Never stop learning. Michael Ibaba po, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Sir Lloyd, pasuyo po ng VUL. We just covered that. Mulhong Waminal, good morning. Sean Forsey, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Shout out po kay John Babayaga. John Wick. Alright, good morning, Sean Forsey. Anne Lynn, sir, my daughter who just graduated recently wants to attend and open an eToro account. Is it possible? What are the requirements for her? As long as she is above 18, that's okay already. Okay? Pwede na natin siyang kuha na ng TIN number. She just needs a passport and a billing statement. Yun yung pinaka-importante. May billing statement siya. If wala pa siyang billing statement, just make a bank account for her. Kasi yung bank na yan, meron yung usually statement of your address. Okay? So, pwede po yan. Saturnino Posada, sir, pwede bang gamitin ang eToro sa US? Mahirap sa US. There are ways to go around it. I know people who are using VPN to go around that system. So, technically, there is a way to do that. Pero, yeah, medyo challenging. If you know how to use VPN, usually yung mga nasa US may VPN naman yan. So, just VPN it on Philippines and then there it is. Pwede pong ganyan. Send me a message. Maybe we can do something about it. Mulong Waminal, kailan sir ang seminar mo sa Manila for day trading, sir? Bukas may day trading tayo na seminar. No need for going to Manila. It's gonna be online. Maybe soon, gagawa tayo with Sir Jed. Invite ko si Jed on a day trading seminar sa Manila. Maybe the next event ko sa Manila, morning will be the basics and then the afternoon will be day trading. Okay? JC Lazaro, asan na yun? JC Lazaro, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Any insights po kay PXP? Thanks and more power to you. Thank you so much. PXP, thanks and more power to you. PXP. And si PXP, nag-bounce to eh. We have a good support for PXP. Try to bargain. High risk na kasi yung jump niya ngayon. So, there was a support right here and there it is. Umakyat din since that happened. So, try to bargain. Get in your support as much as you can. Sir Baba pa. So, I think so because of the changes in the CEO kay Baba. And nasa resistance si Baba eh. Right? I posted about this. I-short ko si Baba kahapon. And there it is starting to go down already. I think it's gonna go further down because of the changes. So, let's see hanggang saan. Just doing it for quick gains. Kahapon nag-gain na eh. Kaso nga lang umakyat ulit eh. But I think Baba is still gonna go down because of the changes. We have a bearish signal right here. Pababa yung RSI niya. So, yeah, I think bababa pa yan si Baba. Sir Lloyd, pwede niyo po details sa seminars na dinascuss niyo earlier. Di ko nakapag-focus dahil may kumausap sa akin. Yes, I will be posting today. Kulitin ko po sa eToro today to finish the finish the registration. Right? If you're following Financial Freedom 101, may Facebook page po ako, which is Financial Freedom 101. Please, a little request from my end. Please go to search for Financial Freedom 101, and you're gonna see this face right here, and just like it, and then I'm gonna be posting about it today. Okay? Meron po akong post dito about our seminar. I'll request how to get rich in the stock market. Lahat po ng basics na yan. I am requesting for you to share this video, okay, sa Facebook walls po ninyo para naman po mas marami pang mga Pinoy. That's our goal. Kahit isang Pinoy kada araw ma-inspire, matulungan po natin or mapaintindi po natin sa kanila yung stock market para mas maraming Pinoy ang mag-start mag-invest, right? Napakaliit lang po ng percentage ng mga Pinoy na nag-i-invest sa stock market, and that's why we want to push this. So how to get rich in the stock market. This is the seminar I did last week. For the basics of the stock market. It was a very good seminar. Marami pong kayong matututunan sa mga hindi pa nanood nito. And share this to your friends para naman po ang basics ng stock market maintindihan nila. It's gonna be very helpful for them. I'm gonna post more details of the seminar here in my page in the Billionaires Club. So don't worry. I'll do it today. I promise you. By hook or by crook, by hook or by crook, ma-post ko yan today. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Nakaka-copy ako sa inyo. Yes, thank you for copying me. It's just that my port right now, this is the reality of trading. My port right now is very green. Right? I mean, very red. Negative 36 po ako ngayon. Kasi nasa stocks ako nakafocus. It's very hard with stock market right now. The best market to invest in right now is into commodities and in cash, mga forex. But sadly, I'm not a trader of those, so I don't really have that luxury. So right now, long term ko lang muna ang mga positions ko as much as possible. So maybe we're gonna see another red month. Then once the market recovers, we should be able to ride the recovery. Okay? And also, always diversify when you copy people. Okay? Hindi lang po ako dapat kinokopya ninyo. I strongly recommend this guy, Olivier. Ito, hanapin niyo po sa Olivier Danvel. Very solid trader. Stats niya, he's already up 0.67 for September, so that's good for Olivier. So tingnan niyo po, all green siya, very consistent guy. He's already up 7.37% for this year. So yeah, I want you to check out this guy, and also Nelson. Nope. Who's that Nelson? Sinong Nelson nga ba yan? 5G Revolution. This guy, man, fina-follow kita eh. Yeah, I can't find the guy, but yeah, try to look for. No, not this guy. Wasn't this guy, but there are other good traders out there who are doing well. So please diversify. Okay. Can you copy multiple people in eToro? Yes, you can. You can copy as many as you want to, as long as your funds allow it. 200 po ang minimum per person. Okay, Rafi, hey P, wala po kayo Sir Lloyd eToro seminar sa Mindanao or Cebu. I did last, meron po ako, I forgot when, but that was this year, and kaka-seminar ko lang po sa Davao. So hopefully soon makagawa po ulit tayo for Cebu and Mindanao. Okay, Richard Pax, morning Sir Lloyd, MRSGI, good morning. MRSGI, I already recommended MRSGI. Yan. So, we have good price action for MRSGI. Most probably, a breakout would be the next best entry point for MRSGI, or here at the support right here. So, MRSGI. Morning Sir Lloyd, kamusta po yung baba? Bumababa pa siya pero hindi naman mabilisan ng pagbagsak. Edna Sotomayor, wala pong buying power sir. That's okay. Tommy Escobedo, Coach Lloyd, at least magkano po minimum kung magbodega? It depends to you. Depende po kasi yan eh. We have different tolerances when it comes to risk. We have different tolerances when it comes to money, right? Depende po yun sa allotment ninyo. For example, you are planning to put in siguro 100,000. Budget nyo is 100,000 for Jollibee, for example. Okay? So what I do is, when I test buy Jollibee, ang tina-test buy ko po dyan is around 30,000. I usually divide it to 30, 30, 40, 30. So around 30,000, bibilin ko po yan. And then if it goes further down, I will use another 30,000. And then pag nagsimula na yun mag-uptrend, usually kasi sa third na yan, third wave ng pagbagsak niya, umaakyat na yan. So when I see the uptrend, that's when I go aggressive and use the 40,000. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko. So, it's up to you. You just use that proportion. Ang ginagawa ko po is 30, 40, 30. So, ang ginagawa ko, test buy. If ever mag-uptrend na, I just buy more with the 40,000. And then, kung pagpatuloy pa, then I just buy more with the 30,000. Or I can go all in already if ever may reversal na talaga. So, yun, ganun po ang ginagawa ko. So, use that proportion. If budget niyo po is 30,000, maybe 10, 10, 10. Pwede pong ganun. Sean Forsey, Sir Lloyd, bumagsak si Meg, bodega worthy ba siya? Yes, right now it is. Antay lang ng green before you start buying. Ketamine, Preserloid, Pasilip ng Primex and Tugs. Si Primex nasa MA20 niya. So, yes, I would say it's good to buy as long as the MA20 holds. Tugs, challenging si Tugs ngayon eh, right? We have a pattern for Tugs right here. So, pag nag-break out yan ng pattern yan, that's the best entry point. Noel Menano, sir, may entry ka ba sa Visa and MasterCard pa? Continue lang siya pataas without any consolidation phase. Yun nga eh, naghahanap ako ng pullback kay kaka-recommend ko lang dito. Kaso nga lang, I'm a position trader. So, yeah, si Visa, I am gonna be entering the next bonds kay Visa. And then MasterCard also, kay MasterCard Incorporated, we are given good pullbacks. Kahit si PayPal, yung PayPal ko bumagsak dahil because of the pullbacks right here. So these are good pullbacks. Antayin ko lang pag nag-bounce yan, saka kung papasukin. Okay? Golden Curry, di pa rin pwede eToro dito sa Japan. Yeah, sadly, wala pang license si eToro dyan sa Japan. Pero kung may VPN kayo dyan, try to use VPN. Pwede yan. Nico Mnaga, Sir Lloyd, good morning. March 2019 po ako nag-start mag-copy. 100% ng port ko sa inyo. So, this total negative ko po, 8.67. Tama ba yun? Yeah, I've been negative since those months. Medyo malas na mga moves. And then, ito pa si Trump, nagpapahirap sa market. So, it's kind of challenging for me. It's been very challenging for stocks lately. But, yeah, that's why I want you to diversify as much as possible. Do not risk everything in just one person, okay? Para ring, what do you call this? Para ring stocks yan. Try to diversify. Rain me non, Sir Lloyd. APC, please. APC, oy, meron tayong bad signal kay APC this is a head and shoulder pattern. So baka dumaos-dos na to si APC. A bounce would be a very good signal for APC. Pag nag-bounce yan, at least dyan natin pasukin. Hopefully mag-hold pa itong MA20 niya. Because this stock is on an uptrend. Kaso nga lang, ito yung problema sa PSEi napaka short term ng mga trends eh. Becca Tangan, sir, any thoughts if you have funds, saan po kayo papasok na IPO? If I wanna go for IPO, very good question. Ano IPO papasukin ko? I'd go for Axellum. Because you know me, I am an agricultural person. Meron nga tayong mangingisda.org, di ba? So those who don't know what mangingisda.org is, just search for mangingisda.org. We have a website. You can see this right here. Just click on view full video of our costs. We have fish cages that we are funding right now. These are fish cages, and this area right here, napakaganda po. Why is it very feasible for fish cages? Makikita nyo po dyan, walang kaalon-alon. Right? That's why it's very feasible for fish cages, and bangus po yung production natin dyan. Check this out if you want to look for other investments. January po ang next excuse me. Tingnan nyo po, ang bangka lang yung gumagawa ng alon. Anyways, if you're looking for other avenues to invest in, yon. For your question, I go for Axellum. For Becca Tangan, Axellum because the secondary purpose of why we buy IPOs is we support the company. So I'm recommending for you to support the company. It's the agricultural aspect of our country kasi siya po yung nagre-represent ng coconut natin. So yeah, I will recommend that because for the reason of supporting the company. But if you're after the gains, wag na lang po, because most probably babagsak yan in the opening. But they will pinasok natin yan because they need the money for expansions. So that's the reason why we invest in them. If it goes further down, if you're investing in them, they're doing well naman, so it should recover anytime soon. So if it goes down, then you just buy more buy more stocks from them, right? Sir, PHA po, let's go for PHA. PHA, pag nag-breakout lang yan, hindi ko muna na-recommend kasi meron siyang resistance. Abel Fernandez, hi Sir Lloyd, newbie here. Good morning. What can you say about ISM? ISM, I am betting on ISM for long term, especially with the performances of our telcos here. I think ISM is gonna do well. And then it's connected with Chinatel. China will be the pioneers of 5G. So more or less mauuna si Ms. Latel with the 5G, and many people are gonna go for it. And since mauuna sila, they're gonna have the it factor in the future. So I think it's gonna be very good for ISM. That's why I'm recommending ISM for long term. Sir, DMC, there can be bad things that can happen in the future. So due diligence po. It's up to you. So DMC, I've been recommending DMC. It's already going up. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay DMC. Nung nirecommend ko po yan, mangat na po siya. If gusto niyo po pong pumasok, pwede pa naman. But just get in there as much as possible sa what do you call this, sa support. Anyways, 2.26% lang naman inakyat niya. So that's still good. Pwede niyo po pong bilhin yan. Sayang, nirecommend ko na yan si DMC noon pa. Ed Duque, good morning sir. How to access tomorrow's live training? Thanks for more power. It's gonna be in the Billionaires Club. I'm gonna be sharing it in my Facebook page also. Okay, it's gonna be live naman, so it's accessible for everyone. No need to worry about it. MRSGI, we covered MRSGI already. Sir Lloyd, pasuyo po na MWC. MWC is a buy for me. It's in one of my recommendations for today. It's already a buy. JFC, bodega lang kay JFC. Habang andyan yan, still good price action for JFC. So yes, it's still a buy. Vidgore, Sir Lloyd, di ko naabutan kahapon. Insights niya po kay MHC. MHC, kind of challenging sa MHC. We have a pag nag-breakout lang ito sa trend na ito, pag nag-green yan today, umakyat, pwede niyo pong pasukin si MHC. Good morning, sir. FLI from Aldrin Barte. Si FLI naman, bumabagsak. So, this is good. We are waiting for FLI to really do a pullback and bounce before natin papasukin. So, abangan lang natin yung bounce niya. MBT, bodegahin nyo lang po yan sa MBT. Buy and buy and buy and buy. Oliver, LR, sir. Medyo mataas kasi si LR eh. And then, nagpo-pullback pa. So, abangan lang natin ang bounce ni LR. But definitely, I will recommend LR once it gives us a bounce. Si Now naman, ayun, bumagsak na naman. So, nagkaipitan na naman sa mga nainggit kay Now. Sorry for that, maybe. Pero I keep telling you guys, ingat sa trades ninyo, right? Get in and support. Wag po dun sa mga hype na mga yan, right? Wag po. As much as possible, yes, you listen to the recommendations of people, but you are responsible for your own risk. Make sure, I always teach you this, make sure you enter at a low risk. Dapat may exit plan po kayo. Okay? For now, wala pa tayong signals to buy, so stay away from it. SMPH, Oliver, I recommended SMPH. Was that the other day or yesterday? Yes, the other day. Nagbe-break na po siya ng ME20, so that's a good signal. This is a good support for SMPH. I'd say I'd buy it already. Okay? DNL is in my recommendations. Just bodegahin mo lang yan sa DNL, Nico Managa, right? Ellie Flores, CNPF, last lang for today, sorry. CNPF, ito nasa support to eh. CNPF numangat na. So I recommended CNPF here and starting to go up already, 'di ba? Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay CNPF when I recommended it. And then right now pullback lang. Antay tayo ng pullback and then bounce kay CNPF before we wanna enter it. Okay, so antay lang ng pullback for CNPH. Right, and DNL again, bodagahin nyo lang po si DNL habang mura pa po yan. Right, so that's it for today. Remember, Remembrance lang. Reminders pala. Remembrance tuloy. Reminders. Bukas po, 11 in the morning, we are gonna have a live seminar for trading. For day trading po yan. It's gonna be a higher level of trading. So, baka mag-nosebleed po yung mga newbies. But you can join it and it's gonna be recorded. So, sa mga hindi makapag-join, you can always recall to it. Okay? It's gonna be a very good seminar for you guys. It's gonna be free. Right? Sponsored na po yan ng Financial Freedom 101 and Mr. Jed Villardo. September 29, we're gonna be in Manila. We're gonna be posting the registration today by hook or by crook. Malalabas na po yan today. Okay? So, it's morning and afternoon session. Pili lang po kayo ng schedule pwede ninyo. It's just gonna be 500 pesos just for commitment's sake. And that's sponsored by eToro. And alam nyo na po, pag mag-sponsor sa eToro, meron po yung bonus. So, mas napakalit lang po ng 500 na yun. I tell you. You're gonna gain more on the seminar. So, I hope you join it sa mga newbies. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? And as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Pasensya na hindi ko na mabasa lahat. ISM PIP na copy na cover na natin yan. This is from Reggie. ISM, just keep buying ISM habang nasa baba pa yan. PIP, medyo nasa taas na si PIP, nakalipad na. So I don't want to recommend PIP anymore. I already recommended PIP when it was at the bottom. Okay. Okay, again, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.